My name is Randy Chu. I'm the CEO of eTech Machinery and SuperTech USA. I started the business back in 90s and have grown the company to a globally recognized brand.
So my name is Andy Chu, and I'm currently the Vice President and third generation of SuperTech Machinery, now known as eTech Machinery in Taiwan. So the history starts with my grandfather starting the business in the 50s, and now my father started eTech in the early 2000s, and now we are working all together as one brand. So eTech Machinery is a global supplier of grinding machines, and we focus on cylindrical, IDOD, surface, centerless, anything with grinding. So we have machines ranging from just the small tool room machines up to the big shops where we have a machine that it's like 3 machines in one, and we are able to meet various industries, aerospace, automotive, medical, from the small job shops to the big manufacturers. So our machines are positioned as high precision, but also at an affordable price point. Because of this, we have machines that are able to cater towards the small tool room shops and also the biggest aerospace and defense companies in the US and around the world. So like I've mentioned, eTech is a family business. Not only do we run the business like a family, we also treat our customers like family, giving them a personal experience as we become your source for grinding solutions. So as a global company, we have dealers all around the world, so you don't have to go far to get the support that you need. So we exhibit at shows all around the world, but why we value GrindingHub is that we're able to showcase our expertise where we can focus just on grinding. We're also really looking forward to GrindingHub Americas, which will be the first time they will be doing this show in the US. And it's exciting because it's another chance to grow our global brand awareness to the grinding industry in the US.